How to fix Gemini AI login issue. To fix the Gemini AI login issue, first you want to ensure you're using the correct Google account and meeting the age and the location requirement as well. So basically, what you want to do is first thing first, you want to make sure your Google account meets the Gemini's age and country requirement as well. You could also double check that you're using the correct email and password, paying attention to any typos. After which, if nothing works out or if these are not the issue, then you could go to the browser and then you want to go and click on the three dot icon, and here you could go ahead and click on settings and then clear cache and data, and that should be able to help. If not, you could also try or use an incognito private window. This helps determine if the browser extension is the cause or the issue. So if you want to use the incognito version, tap the three dot and click on new incognito. So this way you should be able to fix. Next, you also want to temporarily turn off browser extension, typically add blocker or privacy tool as well. Or else you could also use a different browser like Firefox or Edge to see if the problem is specific to your prime browser as well. Now, if you are on Wi-Fi, you could try using a mobile hotspot or a different Wi-Fi network. If you're using a VPN or proxy, you could disable it temporarily as well. So this way, you should be able to help. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.